Hello, today we're going to go over adding fractions with unlike denominators. Let's try a few out. Our first one here, we have 1/2 plus 2/4. Now something you need to notice about adding or subtracting fractions is whether or not the denominators are the same. Now our whole lesson today is on adding fractions with unlike denominators. So I'm going to notice right now that these denominators are not the same. So first things first, we're going to list out the multiples of each of these numbers. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You're going to want to do a few of them at least. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Then I'm going to look for the least common denominator. So the denominators that they have in common that are the smallest. So it looks like 4 is our lucky number. So I'm just going to rewrite the problem down here. 1/2, we're going to try to get the denominator of 4. So I'm asking myself, what do I need to multiply the 2 by to get 4 on the bottom? Well, 2, of course. So I'm going to multiply the bottom by 2. Whatever I do to the bottom, I need to also do to the top. That's what makes this okay to do. We're not actually changing the number, we're just changing the fraction to an equivalent fraction. So 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. With this fraction right here, we already have the 4 as the denominator, so we don't need to change it. We can just bring it on over to join the party. Now we have 2/4 plus 2/4 equals 4/4. And I can actually simplify this to 1 whole. Let's try another one. Now we have 1/8 plus 4/6. So again, our denominators are not the same. Let's list the multiples. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Let's do our 6's. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. All right. So at first I was thinking, oh, let's do 48. 6 times 8 is 48. But we don't have to do that large of a number. They have a smaller number in common. 24 is going to be our least common multiple, which is our LCM. Okay. So again, I'm going to rewrite my problem down here. All right, so let's change our 8ths to get 24 on the bottom. 8 times what is 24? 1, 2, 3. This is the third multiple, so I'm going to multiply by 3. Whatever I do on the bottom, I'm doing on the top. Now the reason we're doing that, I mentioned it a little bit before, but this is just multiplying by 1 whole, isn't it? And anytime you multiply something by 1, you're still getting the same number. So 1/8, 1 times 3 is 3, 8 times 3 is 24. Down here, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to multiply it by 4. 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 4 is 16. And I always like to check back over here, am I adding or subtracting? Because sometimes kids will do all of this correct, but then they do the wrong problem right here. They're either adding or subtracting, they're doing it wrong. We need to remember we're adding right now. So 3 24ths plus 16 24ths is 19 24ths. And I always ask myself, can I simplify? Well, let's see. Can I chop these both in half? No. Can I divide them by 3? No. And you know what? 19 is a prime number. So the only way that I would be able to do this is if, simplify this, is if 24 was also a multiple of 19. And it's not. So this is our final answer right here. All right, let's do another one. This is our last one. Here we go, 7/12 and 8/9. Again, we're going to list the multiples. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, and 96. Let's see if that's enough. We'll try the 9s. 9, 18, 27, 36. Oh, you know what? I already noticed. They have the 36 in common, so I can stop right there. So rewriting my problem, 7 12ths, 8 9ths. Keeping it neat and organized too, that's important. 1, 2, 3, this is the third multiple. I'm going to multiply my 12 times 3 equal 36, and my 7 times 3, 21. What am I multiplying my 9 by? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fourths. 9 times 4 is 36. 8 times 4, 32. What are we doing? Adding or subtracting? We're adding. 21 plus 32 is 53. 36. Can I stop here? No way, Jose. This, first of all, is an improper fraction. Okay, our mothers always taught us to be proper, not improper. So we need to fix this. We know it's improper because the top is bigger than the bottom. So how many 36s can I get out of 53? Well, 36 plus 36 is 72. That's too big. I can only pull 1 out. So it's going to be 1 whole. And then let's just do a little side note. 53 minus 36. 13 minus 6 is 7. 17 left over. Okay, and then we're also checking, can I simplify this at all? Nope, 17 is a prime number, and 36 is not 17 doubled. So this is as good as it gets. All right, I hope you enjoyed my lesson on adding fractions with unlike denominators.